genetics based problem 8. In this problem, a man who has 6 fingers instead of 5 on each of a hand and 6 on the toes, while on the other hand his wife and their daughter has normal number of digits or fingers which are 5. So a man who has 6 fingers on each of the hand and on each of the toes, while the man's wife and his daughter both have 5 fingers. We have to calculate what would be the Punnett square and how the daughter has received 5 fingers while her father has 6 digits. So if we go on the genetics of polydactyly, in case of polydactyl, extra digit, that is 6 digits, is a dominant trait. If this is a dominant trait, we have to find out the fraction of the children who would be expecting extra digit. So based on this information that a man who has 6 fingers while his wife has 5 fingers and 6 digit phenotype is a dominant trait, we have to calculate what would be the number of children who have extra digits. So if we try to solve this problem, that extra digit which are 6 digits, that is can be represented with dominant allele X, while the normal digits which are 5, that can be represented with recessive allele. So 6 digits, because the phenotype is dominant, so X would be representing to 6 digits which is a dominant character, while the normal digits mean 5 fingers, they are the recessive. So based on this information, we draw the Punnett score. In case of Punnett square, we see that each of the allele is separated. Here the alleles are separated. These are the alleles of father. Father is, one allele is dominant, father is heterozygous. Here there is a capital X and this represents to small x. So father is heterozygous while the mother, she is homozygous, homo, and father is hetero, H-E-T-E-R-O. Father, one has dominant allele that is marked with a red X, while one has recessive allele. So based this information, we can see that 50% of the children, because in this case there is a capital X mean dominant allele in this child, and in this child also there is a dominant allele. So and these two children, they have recessive alleles. So out of 4, 50% children or 50% individual would have the polydactyl and 50% they would be recessive. So based on this information that polydactyl is a dominant trait and the individual or the father was heterozygous and has 6 fingers, 50% of the offspring would have 6 fingers.